Okay, just wanted to give you guys a view of this little cabin we're staying in. It's not much, it's just reasonable and affordable for us. So, it's not a bad little place. Got a king size bed there, air conditioner, got a little space heater back there. We brought an extra little heater here for just in case. And a little table. There's a loft upstairs, which is actually pretty comfortable up there. So, I mean, it's small. It ain't camping, but it's not high class either. I wouldn't say that. But it's decent, You get the bathroom there. It's doable for a couple days. Then we'll just let's step outside here. There's my brother, my dad, out there cooking. So there's the community center over there. Apparently there's a sauna over there and a kitchen. So yeah, we don't have a stove here. We got a microwave, but I like it. It suits me just fine. It's beautiful outside. We'll take a walk outside here. That's a big pike. I'll give him a minute. Yeah, let me get the hook out first, because otherwise
Look at that. That's a good and nice fish. Sweet. Yep. Ooh.
still pulling.
Pull that puppy up here. Let's take a look at him. Nice little guy. Another one. Dave's 2 on the board. Good catch, man. You can see.
Let's see if he'll let me work with him. Nope, not quite yet.
Well, at least you got just the one hook on his jaw there. There you go. Your pliers are right there.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh. Feisty little guy. Alright, pull that puppy out of there. Nice. Good catch, man. It's a good one, Dave.
Okay, so here's the pier, or the dock, excuse me, the dock. This isn't our dock. This belongs to this cabin right here, which we didn't rent. Wanted to, but wasn't available. But this is the pier, or why do I keep saying pier? Dock. So, so the fishing has been good. We went out yesterday morning, or afternoon, and I think we caught 3 or 4 fish. We had probably 3 others that blew up on the surface after our bait, after our lures. But it's beautiful out here. I mean, the fall colors, they're in. I wouldn't say it's full bloom just quite yet. Zoom in a little bit. But right now it's 53 degrees outside. And we got steady wind at like 10 miles an hour, gusting to 20. It's just a little too windy right now to be out on the water. But it's nice out here. It's enjoyable. We're relaxing. Having a good time. So there's the kayaks. That comes free with the rental. There's the community lodge. That's our dock over there. Well, let me back this up a little bit. It's our dock over there with our little 14-foot aluminum. So it's a good place. Maybe we'll get out tomorrow morning. Right now it's just too windy, and at 53 degrees outside, it gets cold. It doesn't feel like 53. The sun has been hidden all day long. All day long. It's been cloudy all day. So, well, we'll see what happens tomorrow.